So now I have all these drywall screws in that plywood board to hold in place the bad insulation. I know something about this corner over here. The plywood sheets are beginning to separate a little bit. And you can see that when you put something in here. You see that crack gets bigger. So I'm going to glue that and clamp it. Actually there. So I screwed that screw and that split got bigger. So I need to glue that, clamp it, and then I'll put the screw in. I'll put some glue on there. Keep that thing from further deteriorating. So now I've got that, put some glue in there while it was open, clamped it shut. I'll put a screw in a couple hours. So now I've got screws around the perimeter of this plywood board that's going to cover the attic access. And then I'm going to use silicone to glue that bad of insulation on that guy. I'll just put an S pattern on this guy, just get it all around. Get the other side there. So now I got that bad of insulation. I glued it to that plywood board with silicone, and then I went over with a bunch of strings. You can see them on the side there to secure it in place when I'm taking the board in and out to get into the attic, basically. So this is R38, so it'll provide good insulation value for that one bedroom that has the attic access. Now I've got that attic access covered with a plywood board, and on top of that board is a bad of insulation. It's R38, so should have good insulation value for this room.